Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be opening up my Young Living Essential Oils package, showing you guys what I got. A little bit of an unboxing video here, so let me get right into it. Airbags here, my order confirmation, which I had received the Believe concentration blend, 50 milliliters, the Ember Diffuser, lavender 5 ml, and Stress Away. So, looks like they come wrapped up in these cool little tubes here. Tube, oils inside, and the Ember Diffuser. So I'll get into the oils first. So this one we have Citrus Fresh. Didn't order this, but they sent it. That's cool. And the Believe mixture. I heard this one's really great. Inside here we have peppermint, which I also didn't order, but cool. Lavender, which is what I did order. This is great for sleep. And Stress Away, which I heard is really great. Awesome. So, two oils I didn't even order. Cool. Well, I'll take free stuff. And here is the Ember Diffuser. So, distributed by Young Living Essential Oils in the US of A. There. Right. Unboxing the Ember Diffuser. So, little manual here. Carve it crate so that it doesn't break. Voila. Cool. So, this is kind of a big diffuser. I mean, a lot of diffusers are quite big, but ooh. Got a plug-in cable, and here is the Ember Diffuser. Very cool. An air outlet, drain side, max fill line, a light, a mist, and yeah, that is the Ember Diffuser. Very cool. So that is my Young Living order. The Ember Diffuser, Stress Away, Believe, lavender, and they also threw in Citrus Fresh and peppermint. Very cool. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time.